Hey everyone, going to be doing a quick walkthrough of the module and asset system with a simple example on how assets are used with the entities and components. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go up to our asset browser, pop that thing open. As you can see here, we have some existing modules with various assets, but we're going to ignore those for now and we're going to create a new one. So create a new module, just give it a quick name here. As you can see, we can look over here to the side and note that it was already created. It'll actually create a script file and the module definition. So if we were to try and create a new asset now, we go to create component as an example, and our target, and it's here. And at any point in time you can create modules as well by clicking this cool little button here, pops up the same window. So let's just quickly go through and make an example. Let's do a state machine component. Just fill out the fields. And as it refreshes, you can see the module is now listed because it has existing assets. And the asset is listed here. And we can edit the asset, rename the asset, and check its properties. And what's interesting with this is the edit asset is contextualized by the type of asset. So as this is a component, if we edit it, it will automatically hop to Torsion and open the associated script file. So let's do one more. We'll do a state machine. And this is not a good name for a state machine asset, so we'll just do a rename. And as this is a state machine asset, if we edit the asset, sorry, do a quick refresh here. We edit the asset and it will pop open the state machine editor. So let's just fill this out real quick. Create some quick transitions for our state machine. And what that will do is it will cycle between the states every 500 milliseconds. So we can save. And now we can actually make use of this. So we'll close our asset browser, create a brand new entity, go over here to our components section. And because we have created the component asset, it's automatically loaded into our cool list here. So we'll just add this. Now the component is pre-configured to expect a state machine asset, which is one we had made. So if we click this button, it will open to the asset browser and filter by asset type. So we just select the one we just made. And the fields are typed by the asset type it expects, and we can do cool things like having the edit button automatically open to the state machine editor, which is nice. So as an example of how we can also utilize this, we can hop over here to our script file. And we can fill out those callback functions it was expecting. Save. And if we go back into our asset browser, go to this, and hit refresh, it will reload the script file. So we can just really quickly go back in here, reapply it, and as you can see now, it is automatically executing the state machine because we told it to, and this is the state machine we just created. So that's a quick overview on how you would create modules, assets, and utilizing assets via the editor, the inspector, the fields, and the asset browser.